Hello everyone! Happy September 12th. Today we celebrate video games, chocolate milkshakes, and the joy of sharing knowledge. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's National Video Games Day. A tribute to creativity, challenge, and digital adventure. A great gift could be a retro game console, a cozy gaming hoodie, or a gift card to their favorite platform. What game world do you love escaping into? Share your top picks in the comments. Next, it's National Chocolate Milkshake Day. A delicious excuse to indulge in creamy, chocolatey goodness. A sweet gift could be a milkshake making kit, a set of vintage soda fountain glasses, or a gourmet chocolate syrup sampler. What's your ultimate milkshake combo? Let's stir up some tasty ideas below. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's National Day of Encouragement. A beautiful reminder to lift others up with kind words and support. A thoughtful gift could be a deck of encouragement cards, a personalized note set, or a framed quote that inspires. Who could use a little encouragement today? Let's spread positivity in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for October 16th to 20th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome!